So today is a momentous occasion, people, because today the trash gets picked up. And I don't mean like curb, like regular trash. I mean like this trash. And that truck is our ship out of here. Our ship has come in. And so that's kind of weird. Anyway, we're excited. We got friends over. We got our little living room set up over here, sort of, and we're excited because they're about to grab our stuff and take it away. Please take it. These guys up here are awesome. They're doing awesome work. Ellen said she gave them some Spindrift, sparkling water with 6% juice that we love, on the last time they came nearby this morning. So, always helps to appreciate your FEMA workers or whoever's paying them. So, anyway, this is exciting. Oh yeah. They love it. Thank you. Please. Wow. Look at that. Maybe I need to move our rental cars further away. I don't know. Oh my gosh. That's my buddy John. There's the Bat Castle. Oh man. What do you think, buddy? No, what do you think? Pretty awesome? It says pretty awesome. What does your seal say? Awesome. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty awesome. I think I'm gonna just stay here and wait for this, see it all disappear. Pretty cool. You can celebrate with us.